KZ Guy 2 here, No Nonsense Know-How. Today, I'm switching things up a little bit, taking my generator that's been mounted in my trailer here, and I'm gonna be putting it outdoors. So, just wanted to share with you guys the way I turn this thing into a trailer, because if you own one of these or if you've used one before, they weigh about 1,100 pounds and they're not easy to move. It's actually mounted on an aluminum skid pallet, so if you have a forklift, easy peasy, but if you don't, not so much. So anyway, the way I had this set up in here was I had the exhaust piped out with this thing outside. Exhaust went out. I had, detachable connection to electrical there, and the fuel line going to an auxiliary tank outside as well. So if I ever needed to move this thing, I could very easily. And so basically, I turned it into a trailer by buying one of those Harbor Freight trailer kits and then cutting the axle down the middle and re-welding that together and putting some metal in between it too and boxing it in and all that. But yeah, if you ever want to do this, I mean, the leaf spring kits, it comes with everything you need for the trailer kit, and they're pretty darn cheap for those Harbor Freight kits. And then for the tongue up here, you just get yourself a female 2-inch, and I welded a piece of 2-inch on that and across the front, extended it back here, and also he gave it some more support there. Very simple mod to do if you guys want to do this. And then you got yourself, obviously it came with this piece as well, and this 2-inch stock I had laying around. You slide your pin in there, lock that in, so you have removable tongue. I've towed this down the road. It tows just fine. I take it some turns. It didn't seem top heavy like it wanted to roll or anything like that. I don't know if I would take it cross country, but the jack right here, just welded that on right here. So you can lower that down, because this thing's a heavy beast. So anyway, that's just a tip of the day. If you own one of these things, not a bad idea to turn it into a trailer. It works great. And then I can just grab my quad and move this thing around as I please.